How's it going, everybody? So today's unboxing, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this USB charger. This is from BatteryTender. So the reason I actually purchased this product was because I'm basically gonna start riding my motorcycle once again now that the weather's getting a little bit better. So I want to basically have something just in case if my cell phone basically might die or basically just discharges completely. I have a certain device that I can use to go right ahead and charge it. So of course here is the little USB charger that we have. So it charges device from your battery. It looks like we have like a game console, a camera, cell phone, some sort of tablet as well. So if we look at it from the side, we have USB charger, plugs directly into Deltran quick disconnect battery harness. So that's the front of it. So we have the designed for use on any 12-volt battery. The input is 12 volts. Output would be 5 volts, 2.1 amps max. Weight is 0.05 pounds. And the dimensions are 3 inches by 0.875 by 0.625. So there we go. So that's the front and the back. So let's go ahead and get this open. Okay. Let's see what we get here. So it doesn't look like we get any user manual or anything like that, which I don't mind. That's fine. So here it is. So here is the BatteryTender. Of course, here are your connections right here. And let me get this open. There we go. So it just slides out. There you go. So there's your USB. So it does have a cover just in case if you do leave it, from the looks of it, if you leave it on your motorcycle so it doesn't get damaged when it rains. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing of this USB charger BatteryTender. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video and we'll catch you on the next one.